In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lasso tool in Photopea. Photopea is a powerful, free, browser-based photo editor, and the Lasso tool is one of the quickest ways to make a freehand selection around anything you want to isolate or move. Let's walk through it together so you can get clean, confident selections in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Photopea website. The interface loads right in the page, no installs needed. You'll see a canvas area in the center, a toolbar along the left, panels on the right, and options across the top. Next, click the Open from Computer button on the Start screen. This brings up your file picker. Choose an image from your device that you want to work with. For practice, an image with a clear subject and distinct edges makes things easier. Once it opens, you'll see the image on your canvas and a layer in the Layers panel on the right. Now look to the left toolbar for the lasso icon. Right-click on that tool to reveal the different selection types. This is important because Photopea groups related tools together. From that small menu, choose Lasso Select. This is the freehand version that lets you draw your own selection shape, which is perfect when your subject has organic curves or irregular edges. With the Lasso tool active, click and drag to draw a loop around the object you want. Keep the mouse pressed as you trace the outline. Try to stay just inside the edge of the object to avoid grabbing background pixels. When you complete the loop, either connect back to your starting point or simply release the mouse. Photopea will close the selection for you. You'll know it worked when you see the marching ants outline. If you need more precision, zooming in before you trace can really help, and a steady, continuous motion usually gives a cleaner edge. If your line slips, don't worry. Undo is always there. Once your selection looks good, switch to the Move tool in the top of the left toolbar. It's the arrow with a cross-shaped cursor. With the Move tool active and your selection still visible, click inside the selected area and drag. You'll see only the selected pixels move, letting you reposition the object within the image. This is a quick way to fix composition, separate a subject from nearby elements, or create creative layouts without affecting the rest of the photo. And that's it. Open your image, pick Lasso Select, draw around your subject, switch to Move, and drag to reposition. Practice on a few images, and you'll get faster and more accurate with every selection.